So the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 got itself a new firmware update, which is awesome news for everyone out there that has the Osmo Mobile 6 already. Instead of coming out with an Osmo Mobile 7 and feeling FOMO, you can just update this one and get all these awesome features. There are some really cool and helpful updates, so let's just get right to it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way and also some enhancements to some of that cool gear. Every now and then we get some good firmware updates, so that's always fun to make videos on that. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you can click that like button, if you have the Osmo Mobile 6, it'll let YouTube know and you'll get more Osmo Mobile 6 videos. I'll put links to everything and some instructions down in the description. It's really easy to update this thing. Just connect it to your app on your phone and it will prompt it and done. So what did they add? One of the ones is that you can control your Osmo Mobile 6 with your Apple Watch. I don't have an Apple Watch, but my wife has one, so we'll have to go borrow hers. So you get the app for your watch, and users can view the camera feed, control the gimbal direction, and adjust the composition. You can switch between portrait and landscape mode and enable active track remotely on the watch. When the shooting is complete, the captured photo or the first frame of the video can be viewed remotely on the watch. So that's a really cool update, and I can see that being very handy or wristy. Oh, that gave off like big time Mr. Who's the Boss vibes. All right, next up, they have optimized the active track performance and the user interface display, providing more stable subject tracking and a smoother shooting experience, which is great if you're tracking something or someone that's moving very fast. The active track is that much more precise. They have also optimized the AI editor for parents and kids mode. The recorded video can automatically be edited and generated in the DJI Mimo app. And actually, I have to chime in, Future Danny here. I played around with this parents and kids mode. Now, I don't have any kids, but I could see the concept of it, and it's actually even cooler than I thought it was. Basically, you can set this thing down, and then you can film your interactions with your kids, basically capturing some precious moments without having to worry about whether it's in frame or not. And then you can go into that video clip that it's made, and you can add text and filters. It's got different themes, and you can add music to it and just do a lot of stuff and make it look amazing. So it's actually a lot cooler than I thought it was, and I wanted to make sure I added that part into this video here. So there you have it, some great updates on this gimbal. If you want to learn more about the Osmo Mobile 6 itself, I have several videos on the screen. You can click and you can watch them because yeah, it's been out for some time now, and it still holds up, man. It's still a great gimbal. Yeah, click one of these and I'll see you there.